Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the mysterious and fascinating world of Venus. So buckle up, space cadets, as we explore some incredible, mind-blowing facts about Venus that'll leave you wanting more. We all have a picture in our minds of how the planets in our solar system behave. They orbit the sun, sure, but they also spin on an axis, much like Earth does, giving us day and night. But Venus, well, Venus likes to do things a little differently. Unlike most planets, Venus rotates in the opposite direction. While Earth spins from west to east, Venus spins from east to west. This peculiar phenomenon is called retrograde rotation. One theory suggests a massive collision could have knocked Venus off its original spin. Whatever the reason, Venus is a bit of a rebel, going against the flow in a cosmic dance that's been going on for billions of years. Here on Earth, we take our 24-hour day for granted. But imagine a day that lasts longer than an entire year. That's precisely what's going on with our celestial neighbor Venus. It takes Venus approximately 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation on its axis. But it takes Venus only about 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun, so a Venusian year is actually shorter than a Venusian day. Imagine celebrating your birthday twice before a single day has passed. Now, let's crank up the heat and talk about the extreme temperatures on Venus. Venus holds the title of being the hottest planet in our solar system, thanks to its thick, dense atmosphere that traps heat like a runaway greenhouse. The surface temperature on Venus can reach a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit, or 475 degrees Celsius. So, even though Mercury is closer to the Sun, Venus wins the heat battle by a landslide. When you think of a planet covered in thick clouds, you probably don't picture a diverse and dramatic landscape. But Venus boasts a surface studded with towering mountains and fiery volcanoes. Using radar technology, scientists have mapped its surface in remarkable detail. They found a world sculpted by volcanic activity, with vast plains, towering mountains, and thousands of volcanoes. Some scientists even believe that some of these volcanoes might still be active today. We've talked about the scorching temperatures and the crushing pressure on Venus. But let's not forget about the air, or rather, the lack of breathable air. The atmosphere of Venus is about 90 times denser than Earth's, composed primarily of carbon dioxide. This creates a runaway greenhouse effect that sends temperatures soaring. The upper layers of Venus's atmosphere are also laced with clouds of sulfuric acid. So while Venus might look like a beautiful swirling jewel from space, its atmosphere is a toxic and unforgiving place. Its backwards rotation, its incredibly long days, its status as the hottest planet, its volcanic landscape, and its toxic atmosphere. So the next time you look up at the night sky and spot Venus, remember that it's not just a bright light. It's a world of extremes, a cosmic laboratory that reminds us just how diverse and awe-inspiring our universe truly is.
Thanks for exploring with DiscoveryMinds. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss an adventure. Share in the comments what blew your mind today and what mysteries you'd love us to explore next. Stay curious and see you in the next cosmic adventure.